Hey, I'm rolling out 60 different strategies that I'm borrowing from 60 different YouTube channels, and I'm doing it all in 60 days. This next strategy is a $15 minimum table with a $150 bankroll. So if that interests you, stay tuned. My name is Joe, and this is my Craftsmaster journey. Let's make it yours too. So this is strategy number 33. It's brought to us by Sensei. And the title of this video is called $150 Bankroll on a $15 Minimum Table. How to Win at Casino Craps. He filmed it in 2021, February of 2021, and he has over 1,200 views to date. He considers one unit to be a $5 bet, so he plays on a $5 table. Let's start off with a $250, $350, $400 bankroll. And let's buy some pennies here. We're all set with a $500 or $400 bankroll. Sorry, $400. Okay. And he does not do any pass or don't pass line bets. So if you can get away with it, you can try to do it. This is on a random thrower. Dice out. And we'll have 437, so that does nothing. Dice out again. And we have a 538. So point will be 8. And I don't understand why he does, the no line bet, because you have to set the dice using his strategy, and with his strategy, you probably should put a pass line bet up there. So let's put a $5 pass line bet up there just to play it safe so everybody can actually play this. But what he does now is you'll go 66 inside. So that would be 3 units on each. He also does a $15 field. And he'll do $30 in odds. So what he'll do then is he will take whatever the point is, if it's an inside number, and he'll put that down for the odds. If it's the 4 or 10 as a point, he'll just put that $30 in odds out there. So what we'll do is we'll take this down actually, and let's just put $30 out there, so that way it's good to go. It's $30 on that pass line bet in odds. And like I said, he uses the dice set, so he uses a 5-4-4-1 dice set. And the goal here now is to press the number that we hit. So if it's a 5, 6, or 9, we will press that number up. If it's a 4 or 10 that hits, that obviously pays out in the field. So we use the field winnings there to press up the 4 and the 10. Once we have all of our bets covered up here, all the numbers are placed, we'll just start half pressing from there. So let's go dice out. We have a 5-4-4-1 dice set again. And looking for a hit. And we have a 617, the only number that's on the table that does not pay out. So putt comes off. All this comes down. And we are going to start over. Okay, again, $5 pass line bet. We start off with $400 on our bankroll. Looking for a point, just a random roll. We have a 6-5-11, and that pays out $5 on that pass line because the 7 and 11 pays out on the come out roll. Again, dice out 3-3-6 hard 6. So our point becomes a 6, and we're going to go to 66 inside. It's 3 units on the 5, 8, and 9. And then we will go $30 on the pass line. We will also go $15 on the field. We got dice out. And we have a 6, 5, 11. Does nothing up here, but we get paid out $15 on that field. So let's do this one. So let's go up to $15 on the 4. And again, we're supposed to be using a dice set, so I'm going to do that right this time. And we are using that 5, 4, 4, 1 dice set. 5, 4, 4, 1. Dice out. And we have a 2, 2, 4. Perfect. Glad I pressed that up. So we have 3 units on there. On my table, it does not become a buy bet until we get to 4 units to $20. So those 3 units there will pay out $27. We also get paid out $15 on that field bet. So now what happens is we can take 15 of that, go up on to 10, and let's just rack the rest so we can recover some of our money now. So now all of our numbers are covered, and we have the option, and this is what he does in the video. He either leaves the field up and just keeps on playing it, or he has the option of, since we have all the numbers placed, we can take it down. Right now, let's just keep that up there, because this is early in the roll. Again, that was a 2, 2, 4 that we hit, a hard 4. And again, we're going to go with a 5, 4, 4, 1 dice set. We get dice out. And we have a 5, 5, 10, hard 10, perfect. Again, that pays out $27. There, and we get paid out $15 in that field. So let's do this now. Let's go up. Let's make our 8 look like 30. So let's do that. Make our 8 look 30, and we're just going to rack the rest of it. Now we're starting to get a little bit of our money back. We're starting to build up our numbers out on the table. Okay. Again, let's go out with a 5, 4, 4, 1 dice set. 5, 4, 4, 1 dice set. And we have a 4, 2, 6. That is our point. So what's going to happen is that puck comes off. We are going to lose on that field. So the field comes off. But we're going to get paid out $5 on that pass line bet. And we're going to get paid out $36 in on the odds. So 25, 35, 36. So that's all going to come down. And let's do this one. So let's make that 6 look like 30. We'll rack all the rest. And everything up here is turned off. Pass line is the only thing that's working right now. So let's just do a random roll to start off with here, guys. And we got a 5, 5, 10. So hard 10. So that will be our point. And we're just going to pull that down. And we're going to go $30 in odds on the pass line. And we'll rack the rest of this here. And we start with a $400 bankroll. And we're going to go with a 5, 4, 4, 1 dice set. And watching the guy's video, Dice Sensei's video, it looks like a pretty easy-going, pretty laid-back guy. And we have a 6, 3, 9. So we have 3 units on there. That pays out $21. And what we're going to do is we're going to take 10 of that, put it on the 9. We're going to make it look like a quarter. And we're just going to rack the rest. So that was a 6, 3, 9. Again, same dice set, 5, 4, 4, 1. And we have 8, 5, 3, 8. So So that's going to pay out $35. Perfect. Because what will happen here now is I'm going to put $10 on that 5. We'll bring that up to look like a quarter. And I'm going to take a quarter and rack it. So we're racking a green on that one, guys. 538 that was. And let's go with our dice set again. 5, 4, 1. Dice out. And we have a 3, 2, 5. Again, that pays out $35. That's perfect. And let's rack that green. And let's go up to $25 on that 4, and that becomes a buy bet. So that'll cost us $1. $1 in VIGs. We'll put that out here. And we have now got everything on the table pressed up to the $quarter level, which is awesome because we've built that all out of the profits. 5, 4, 4, 1 is our dice set. And dice out. And we have a 5, 5, 10, hard 10. That is our point. So what happens here is we get paid out $5 on that $5 there. We get paid out $60 on the odds. And what's going to happen here now is, let's see what we can do. Let's just rack that right now so we can get our money back. And I'm just going to keep on racking since we have everything up at the quarter level. Okay. And everything on the table is turned off. Dice out, looking for a point coming out. And we have a 6, 3, 9. Our point becomes a 9. Everything on here is turned back on. We'll take this off. We'll go up $30 on the pass line bet odds. And we're going to go up to a quarter on that 10. That's a buy bet, and that'll cost us $1. And dice out. And we have a 415 that pays out $35. And we're going to rack the quarter, and we will go up 1 unit on the 6, 1 unit on the 8. Now we've got on there $36, which will pay out $42 if that hits. Whoops. I'm not going to count that because we're supposed to be setting the dice. I'm sorry. 5, 4, 4, 1. I didn't even see what that was. I think that was still a pretty good hit. But 5, 4, 4, 1 for the dice set. And dice out. Ooh, bad throw, but I'll take it. 2 on 3. That does nothing for the strategy. So we'll bring this back. We'll reset it again. 5, 4, 4, 1. And the reason that was a bad throw is because they kissed and bounced off of each other once they hit the wall there. That greatly randomized those dice. There we go. 5, 3, 8. And that pays out, like I said, $42. 25, 35, 40, and 2. So let's do this now. We're going to rack a quarter, and let's press up $5 on that 5. We're going to go up 1 more unit on the 6 and 1 more unit on the 8. So now we have got on there $42. Okay. 5, 4, 4, 1 dice set. And we have a 6, 5, 11, does nothing for the strategy. 5, 4, 4, 1. And we have 6, 6 boxcars, does nothing for the strategy. terrible roll. Hit the end and just kept on rolling down, but we have 628, so that's a good result for the roll. And again, we got 35 plus 14, so that would be 35, and 14 is the payout on that one. So again, let's rack that quarter. Let's go up to $50 on the 5. Make that a quarter. And we'll just rack this 4 here. And we'll go 5, 4, 4, 1. So if this 5 hits now, that's going to pay out $70. And we have a 4, 2, 6. Again, that's going to pay out 30 and 14. I'm sorry, 35 and 14. Okay, let's make the 6 look like 60. And we're going to rack the rest. Again, so that'll pay out $70. So we're definitely back into profit again. Again, we started off with a $400 bankroll. And that just rolled. That was a 426, by the way, guys. That was a 4. There, 426. And we're going to go with a 5, 4, 4, 1 dice set again. And this is turning out to be a pretty long roll. A lot longer than the average of the normal roll. So this is not a normal result. But this is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for, is that big long roll. 617, 7 out. So that just rolled. That was a 1. So anyhow, we get all this, we lose. So we actually had up there quite a bit of money that we are losing off the table. So we're losing 1, 2, 3, 4, 170, but a little over $200. We're losing, which is fine because that was all profits money anyhow. And in order to make money, you gotta get money on the table. So puck comes off. Let's count out, see where we ended up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $100. $4. Okay, so this is what we start off with, $400 right there. We have $100 right there, 120, 124 is what we made off of that strategy for this rollout. Hey, if you like the strategy that I just rolled out, I'll leave a link to the original videos at Sensei, Dice Sensei's YouTube channel in the description of my video here. Also, if you like all the strategy videos that I'm rolling out, hey, click on that link over here on this side of the screen. My friends, my name is Joe, and this is my Craftsmaster journey. Let's make it yours too.